Have you ever stopped to think about how those simple black and white lines, or those little pixelated squares, keep entire warehouses and stores running smoothly? Today, we're breaking down the difference between 1D and 2D barcodes, and which one fits your business best. So first, what is a barcode really? Barcodes are like license plates for products. Each one carries a unique ID that links back to a database, telling your system what the product is, how many you have, and where it's located. You see them everywhere, on boxes, labels, and even your favorite products. But have you ever wondered what really separates a 1D barcode from a 2D code? Let's start with the one you already know, the 1D barcode, short for one-dimensional. When you think of a barcode, this is probably what comes to mind, those black and white lines you see on almost every product. It's read horizontally, like a sentence made of lines and spaces. Each pattern represents a unique combination of numbers or letters, usually a product ID, SKU, or tracking number. This barcode doesn't actually store all your product info. It's more like a key that unlocks details from a database, things like pricing, stock levels, or supplier info. Because it holds a small amount of data, less than 25 characters, 1D barcodes are best for simple, fast identification, perfect for retail stores, warehouses, and shipping. And the biggest advantage? Compatibility and cost. They're cheap to print, easy to scan, and supported by almost every system out there. If 1D barcodes are the classics, then 2D barcodes, short for two-dimensional, are their smarter, high-capacity upgrade. Instead of just lines, 2D barcodes use dots, squares, or geometric patterns. That's why you see them in QR codes or data matrix labels on products. These tiny grids can hold thousands of characters, not just a few digits. They can include serial numbers, expiration dates, even URLs, and the best part, they don't need to connect to a database to show that information. Think of it as a mini storage chip made of patterns. Even if part of it is scratched or smudged, it can still be read, because most 2D barcodes have built-in error correction that recovers lost data. And unlike 1D barcodes that must be scanned straight across, 2D barcodes can be scanned from any angle using a 2D imager or even your smartphone camera. Now that we've seen how both 1D and 2D barcodes work, let's break down their key differences. First, data capacity. 1D barcodes can only hold 8 to 25 characters, usually a product ID or SKU that links to your database. Meanwhile, 2D barcodes can store thousands of characters, which means you can embed details like expiration dates, lot numbers, or even full URLs, all without needing a database connection. Second, error correction. Traditional 1D barcodes don't have built-in protection, so even a small tear or smudge can make them unreadable. 2D barcodes, on the other hand, are built for resilience. As it has built-in error correction, so even if the label's scratched or partially covered, the scanner can still read it. Next, scanner compatibility. 1D barcodes have been around for decades, so they're supported by almost every scanner and POS system, especially low-cost laser scanners. But to read a 2D barcode, you'll need an imager or a camera-based scanner, the kind most modern smartphones already have. And finally, cost and adoption. 1D barcodes are simple, affordable, and universally supported. But if you're looking for more data, traceability, and reliability, 2D barcodes are the way forward. Across industries, global standards are moving toward 2D barcodes, for both consumer-facing packaging and supply chain tracking. Whether you're sticking with 1D for simplicity or switching to 2D for smarter tracking, C2W Inventory helps you do both, seamlessly. With C2W Inventory, you can generate barcodes for your products, shelves, and assets, design and print labels right inside the system, and scan them using your phone or an Android smart scanner. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Visit c2winventory.com or tap the link below to learn more.